When it comes to transforming thin, dry, or damaged hair into something fuller, thicker, and healthier, there's no shortage of products promising miracles. But the real question is, do they deliver? If you're tired of lackluster hair treatments that promise the world but leave you with nothing but disappointment, then this review might just be the game changer you're looking for. Let's talk about the Luseta Thickening Hair Mask with Collagen Peptides. Before we dive deep into my experience, let me quickly give you the facts. This is a hair mask designed for people with thin or damaged hair. It's packed with collagen peptides, biotin, and copper tripeptides, all aimed at strengthening, fortifying, and moisturizing hair while reducing breakage and promoting a thicker, fuller appearance. The formula is sulfate-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, so it's gentle on your hair and the environment. Now, let's talk about how this product fits into real-world use. I've had the chance to try this mask on my own hair, and I've also asked my husband to test it on his as well, since this product's benefits can truly cater to both of us, whether you're a woman or a man looking for healthier, thicker hair. When I first used it, I was surprised by how smooth and rich the formula felt. The texture is thick but not overly heavy, which makes it easy to apply. I massaged it into my damp hair, focusing on the ends where I typically see the most dryness and damage. Right away, I noticed how easily it spread, and the fragrance was subtle but pleasant, not too overpowering. As for results, well, after leaving it in for the recommended 10 to 15 minutes and rinsing, my hair instantly felt smoother and more manageable. The difference wasn't just in texture, it looked noticeably fuller. I could feel that the moisture was locked in, and there was a soft, healthy sheen to my hair that wasn't there before. The real test came the next day when I styled it, and I noticed less breakage than usual, even after using heat styling tools. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Luseta Thickening Hair Mask delivers on its promises. It leaves hair feeling smooth, soft, and noticeably fuller without weighing it down. The ingredients like collagen peptides and biotin are known to be great for hair health, and I could see the difference in the texture and volume after just one use. It's a great option if you're looking for a product that helps with hair growth, thickness, and overall vitality. However, no product is perfect. One downside is that, because it's a thicker formula, it might feel heavy for those with fine hair or those who struggle with product buildup. I found that using a small amount worked best, but if you tend to go heavy-handed, you could end up with that weighed-down feeling. When it comes to value, I think the price is fair for the size of the product and the quality of the ingredients. At 16.9 UTS, this hair mask offers a decent amount of product for the price, and considering the collagen peptides and other beneficial ingredients, the value seems right on par. But if you're on a tighter budget or don't need the extra ingredients, there are alternative masks out there that might be more affordable, though they may not provide the same level of intensity or multi-benefit effects. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and practical, with a wide-mouth jar that allows for easy access to the product. It's simple, effective, and doesn't feel unnecessarily wasteful. The mask itself is a high-quality formulation that doesn't feel like a throwaway item. It's designed for repeated use. So after trying this hair mask, what's my final take? If you're dealing with thin, damaged, or dry hair, and you're looking for a solution that helps reduce breakage while adding thickness and volume, Luseta's Thickening Hair Mask could definitely be worth a try. The ingredients work well together to nourish and fortify the hair, and I appreciate that it's free from harsh chemicals. It's one of those products that you can feel good about using regularly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.